Set to release in spring 2026 for $350, the Air Jordan 6 BIN23 marks the silhouette's debut in Jordan Brand's ultra-premium BIN23 collection. Originally launched in 2010, the BIN23 series channels the essence of fine winemaking, limited, refined, and made for true connoisseurs. Each entry is known for high-quality craftsmanship, luxurious materials, and the iconic wax seal branding, signifying its elite status. Past models like the Air Jordan 2, 5, 7, 9, and 13 have become coveted collector's items, and the Air Jordan 6 is now joining that exclusive club. Dressed in a sleek off-noir and Picante red palette, early mock-ups suggest a black upper with striking red accents and the classic wax seal on the heel. While official materials haven't been disclosed, anticipation is already high. Even with only speculative visuals so far,